All right, let's get into it. Trade Ideas. Been wanting to talk about them. I'm an affiliate now with an affiliate code with 15% off of AK47 trades. That's AK47 trades, 15% off across the board over on Trade Ideas. One of my favorite, if not the favorite, charting services out there, and definitely my favorite scanner service out there as well. So, you can see right now what you're looking at, the breakout scanner, the high of day momentum scanner, as well. So let me pull up something real quickly. You can see here Trade Ideas and their website. I've been with them since 2020. Well, it's now that, of course, now that's not going to pull up. So been with Trade Ideas since 2020. Myself, I know Deck has been with them since at least 2017. Here we go. There we go. There's the Trade Ideas. Isn't that awesome? I was like, I thought that was an animal. So there we go. And so you got 15% off with AK47 trades. So go take advantage of that. Awesome system over here, and there's a lot that you can do. Of course, best short-term stock screener, Investopedia, and it is. Now, for small caps especially, you see the high day momentum scanner, the breakout scanner, and you can set these to whatever you want, whatever settings you like. If you want to trade large caps, you can set your settings up for that. I'm already watching my large caps day in, day out, as you can see here on my Thinkorswim. But on my Trade Ideas right here, I need that for small caps. I need to remind me, hey, mid-candle breakout. What are plays that have been running here recently that could possibly pop up again today? And one prime example, and look what happened with Zap. So it reminds me of plays that could possibly pop up. It lets me know, what's popping up? Oh, BTTR. And I told everyone in chat, I told everyone in my lobby earlier, BTTR. And you can see this real quickly. Thanks to Trade Ideas. I said, look at this, at 9:46. So here's my original alert. At 46 after, right here in this candle, I'm alerting everyone. The VWAP has caught this play. Watch for a short city coming up. Look at the beautiful short that BTTR led to right here. Now we have not NNE. There we go. So now I know it's hitting. I have no idea about NNE, but now I can come over here and I can start putting my trend line in, right? So I can. What's what I love to use? You come over, set a horizontal line, a trend line, a text, arrow, or color. You click on that. Multiple things you can do. If you want to click on this, you can move it around anywhere you want, manipulate it how you like it. When you highlight it, come down to that color graph, and now I can make it any color, or you can just make your own custom color if you want. I love purple. That's my jam. That's my trend line color. I also know I can come up here and we'll just do a quick little charting lesson. If I get out of the top resistance zone, that's the first channel, we may break out. And we are, baby. There's your breakout. I also know I can come over here and put a horizontal line of resistance. If we break out over 14, we're going, baby. I love having Trade Ideas letting me know it's hit high of day 58 times now, right? I know it lets me know the price, what the float is, right? It lets me know the relative volume. I love that. It immediately come over here. I know the same thing if I hit the breakout scanner. So I have two hitting at the same time. Not only the breakout scanner, but the high of day momentum scanner. That means I can come over here and to TradeCaster and go NNE. New high of day rolling. Found this thanks to Trade Ideas. Scanners. The best. Yes, I just put that over in chat. Look at NNE flying now. Look at that. Look at this prime example. Perfect example of why I love Trade Ideas. Flying. There we go, baby. Look at that. All thanks to Trade Ideas Scanners. Exactly why you got to have them. Then you can come in pre-market. Especially, let's go to plays like, GRDI. You can come in pre-market when it's pre-market and know what's moving. Say you don't even know about GRDI, because I get this all the time. Hey, AK, where do you find these plays at? How do you always know what's moving? Trade Ideas. I can come over here and go, GRDI is up 100% on the day. MGOL is up 100+% on the day, and know where to trade, where to short, where to go long. I can come over here and go, here's what's up for the day. Here's what's up. I can go through my plays, or I can double click on it, and now I can see what plays are down from yesterday if I really want to see that as well. Absolutely love it. It's got the float, the price, kind of a strategy real quickly. Volume for the day, right? The main things down here are price, change, how much you up for the day, change, percentage change, the volume for the day. What's the float on the play, right? Every once in a while, I look at that short float percentage, knowing that play can squeeze, like a TBLT when it's up that high. Anything at 20%, watch out for a go, baby. Do not short. GRDI. Oh, GRDI squeezing at it. Now GRDI halted up. GRDI halted up now. Woo! We are flying. And how? How did I know this? Thanks to Trade Ideas Scanners. Woo! There you go. So, if you need any help, and especially with small caps, AK47 trades, that's my 15% off. You can come over here and put moving averages in, as you can see as well. Another thing that you can do, using different time frames, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, monthly, weekly, whatever you want to do. I absolutely love this. Indicators as well. Now, again, you want to put in a moving average, you want to put in Bollinger Bands, you want to put in VWAP or volume or RSI, whatever it is. And you can edit them, modify the colors as well. Very much love, and it shows you, so you can just, if you're off the screen, you know immediately. What's the 200-day moving average? Well, it must mean GRDI must not be moving for that long because there's no 200-day moving average showing. So you can see here, we haven't been running for close to at least 200 days yet, obviously, or close to it, enough to have the moving average. So you know it's a newer play if you don't see the 200-day moving average. You know it's a newer play. And then immediately you can see, if I move off the page, you can see the blues of blah, 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 blah. So you know what the 50 is. You know what the 13, whatever your moving average is. You know what your VWAP is or the volume is for this candle that's halted up. So that volume right there, when I go off the page, let me get off of it now. You can see the VWAP's at 108, your volume's at 125. The close of the candle's at 136, the low was 123, the high was 136. The open was 123. So there you go. Whammy, whammy, whammy. And it lets you know at the top left-hand corner what time frame that candle is that you're stuck on. So if all of a sudden you're doing this and you're seeing some weird numbers up there, look at the time. The time's going to tell you what candle you're on. So you're like, oh shit, wrong time. You just want to make sure you go up to the right, hover off to the left. Now you're at the right correct time that you want to be in at 10:45. So trade ideas, absolutely love it. There's so much stuff that you can do right here. There's your indicator, like I said, easy to do. There's your time frame. There's your trend lines, your resistance support areas, and adjusting the colors. You can do it all from here by right-clicking. How to zoom out, just so I get that question a lot too as well. Of course, you can use your mouse pad, right, and the little scroll left and right. But to zoom out, hold down Control, and then just zoom in and out. That's how I'm doing that. So I'm using my mouse and the little scroll, and then I'm holding down Control. So if you hold down Control, you can zoom out, and you can zoom in however you like. I love trade ideas. There's a quick little round one in how to use it, what to be looking for. And these are my scanners that you can have customly from me. These are what I'm looking for every day and what helps me the most. So I know what's halting up, what's breaking out, what's hitting new high of day, what's up and high in pre-market, what plays are up in pre-market that I need to pay attention to that I haven't seen or heard of, and what plays that I need to remember that have been moving recently that I can also go back and trade. AK47 over at TradeCaster.com and Prime Trading Investments. There's your trade ideas tutorial, round one.